Konnichiwa minasan and welcome to another episode of What's Inside series. And for today's video, we're gonna check what's inside Ashikaga Flower Park in Tochigi, Japan. Ashikaga Flower Park is one of Japan's top destinations for wisteria. They've got 350 trees that bloom from mid-April to mid-May. We went to the park on May 3rd, 2023, and that is Golden Week holiday in Japan. And that is the reason why you're seeing a lot of people here in the video. But despite the crowd, we were still able to enjoy the park. Ashikaga Flower Park also has an impressive collection of azaleas, with more than 5,000 bushes around the wisteria trees. These flowers bloom from mid-April to early May, and there are approximately 1,000 different varieties in the park. This is the 80-meter long wisteria walk, featuring white blooms dripping over you from the trellis above. It looks so magnificent during the daytime, but wait till you see it during the nighttime with all the illumination around the park. The wisteria in Ashikaga Flower Park are usually in full bloom in the beginning of May, 1 to 2 weeks later than the wisteria of Tokyo. This is how the wisteria trees in Ashikaga Flower Park look like during the nighttime with the illumination. And this tree you can see in the video is the 150-year-old Great Wisteria tree, which is Tochigi Prefecture's designated natural treasure. Even if it's almost nighttime, the place is still crowded. Here is how that 80-meter long wisteria walk with white blooms looks like at night. And that's me and my very gorgeous, awesome looking roommate, Karura-san. And that's all for today's video, and see you next time. Bye! Oh, before I forget, that is the outside view of the station.